Welcome to our enchanting desert at night. It's time to say goodnight to the unique creatures of the desert. Join us on a quiet journey under the starlit dunes. Let's whisper goodnight to each animal as they find rest in the desert. Hello, Meerkat. The watchful meerkats now snuggle together in their burrow. Say goodnight to the meerkat family as they huddle for warmth. Goodnight, Meerkat. Hello, Fennec Fox. With her large ears twitching, she curls up in her cozy den. Whisper goodnight to the Fennec Fox, dreaming in the cool desert night. Goodnight, Fennec Fox. Hello, Owl. Perched high, this wise bird closes its eyes as the moon rises. Gently say goodnight to the owl, guardian of the night. Goodnight, owl. Hello, camel. With a gentle grunt, this desert traveler settles down in the soft sand. Let's say goodnight to the camel, resting after a day of trekking. Goodnight, camel. Hello, lizard. Finding a nook between the rocks, the lizard closes its eyes. Say goodnight to the lizard as it dreams away the desert night. Goodnight, lizard. Hello, desert tortoise. After a slow day of wandering, it's time for sleep in its sandy home. Stretch up and wish goodnight to our shelled friend. Goodnight, desert tortoise. Hello, scorpion. Under a rock, the scorpion finds shelter and prepares to rest. Bid goodnight to the scorpion as it settles in the quiet of the night. Goodnight, scorpion. Hello, snake. Coiled up in a cool spot, the snake rests under the stars. Whisper goodnight to the snake, finding peace in the desert calm. Goodnight, snake. All our desert animals are now wrapped in the tranquility of night, sleeping soundly. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream of the desert's gentle night. Good night, little explorer. Good night, desert.